In this video, I will show you how to present your Forma site design findings using Forma Board. A Forma board is a virtual whiteboard that you can use to document your design process and share findings with colleagues and key stakeholders. What I have open here is a proposal in Forma site design where I've run a sun hours analysis for 2 different dates. Now I'll close this window and I'm going to use the module switcher to move from Forma site design to Forma board. From here, I'll create a new board for my current site. Each new board comes with an introduction frame. Take some time to read it and watch the video to learn more about Forma board capabilities. For now, I'll hover over the edge, select the frame, and press delete on my keyboard to start with a blank canvas. Next, I'll add a new frame from the design toolbar and click where I want to place it. When I select the frame, a contextual toolbar appears. From here, I can change the aspect ratio to A4 landscape and adjust the opacity if needed. Now I'll go to the left sidebar and click Site Design. This opens a panel with a drop-down menu where I can select any of my sites. All proposals for the selected site appear below. In this case, I only have one proposal, so I'll select it. A second panel opens showing all available widgets for this proposal. I'll drag and drop the Design View widget onto my frame, followed by the area metrics and the sun hours analysis widget. Each widget can be edited using its own contextual toolbar. When I select the Design View widget, I can change the aspect ratio, switch between proposals, and choose what information to display, such as the title, last updated date, and proposal name. The camera button lets me apply one of my previously saved camera views to update the model view. The final 2 buttons allow me to adjust the widget's opacity and download the screenshot of the model view. As I rearrange the widgets, snapping guides appear to help me align them neatly. Next, I'll return to the left sidebar, click Site Design, select the same proposal, and drag the sun hours analysis widget onto the frame again. I'll resize it to match the existing one, update the widget information, and apply the same camera view so both widgets are identical. Because I ran the sun hours analysis for 2 different dates on the same proposal, I'll select the date selector here and choose December 21 to display both sun exposure maps side by side. Now I'll click the bottom right button on the widget and open the analysis view. I'll use the color bins to filter results and show only areas receiving 1 to 4 hours of sunlight on December 21st. Then I'll use the inspect tool to view sun hours at specific points. In the right-hand panel, I'll expand the facade metric breakdown. Next, I'll click the camera button in the Visibility and Orientation tools, choose Screenshot with Graphics, and click Export to download the image to my computer. I can now drag the PNG file from my Downloads folder directly onto the board. I'll resize it, adjust its placement, and fine-tune the layout of the existing widgets to create a clean, organized presentation. Next, I'll share the board with my teammates using the board members icon at the top right corner. I'll click the plus sign, enter their email addresses, assign their roles, and click Share Board. I'll use the annotation tools to add comments and notes. These tools, such as sticky notes, text, and clouds, are familiar and easy to use. One very useful tool is comments, which allows you to tag project members. When you post a comment, they receive an email notification and can reply in the same thread so your conversations remain streamlined. Finally, I'll click Edit Presentation in the Design toolbar. Then in the right-hand panel, I'll select all frames. After that, I'll click Present to view my board in full screen presentation mode. Now you've created a collaborative space and shaped your design narrative by bringing data, visuals, and insights into a clear, shareable story.